Hi everyone, this is Lisa. So today we are on page 250 of your legal word processing book. We're doing corporate 9. This is a memo template which I've attached. I don't know if you've actually used this before. Okay, so quite easy to fill in. This bit's easy, not a problem. So I'm just going to swap to one that I prepared earlier, a bit like Blue Peter. There it is. Okay. Oh, I spelled secretary wrong. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, so type the memo, easy peasy, but this is not just a memo. There are going to be attached to this document, there's going to be 2 pages of tables, and they're quite difficult to do. Well, they're not difficult, they're just itsy bitsy. Now, as you can see, this is portrait, okay? The next pages on the same document need to be landscape, so we are going to need to put in a section break, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down there. Right, I've done that. Now, if you don't know where, it's actually quite hard to find a section break sometimes. So sometimes I just use the search box, and I know I need a section break. So I'm just going to type in section and insert section break. Now I can decide what I want. I want a section break. So it ends on this page and I start a new page and then I can change things. Does that make sense? So I'm leaving the formatting on this page here. I'm going to start a new page and I can format it differently. So I'm doing a next page break. And now on this page where I am, because that's page 1, which is page 2, I want this to be landscape. So all I do is go to orientation, landscape. There you go. Wasn't that nice and easy? Okay. Now, remember, when you're inserting a table, always press enter a couple of times because I don't trust it. Then you're going to do insert table. Now, this table I know is going to be 8 across and as many down as you can go. Okay, I've shown you before how to manipulate tables. Okay, same thing again. Look at the instructions I gave you in the email, but basically D. Papadopoulos needs to be expanded to Dimitri. There's lots of figures there. So the first table is quite easy, but the second table, you've got to work out the figures for each one. Okay, so you've got to sort it out. All right. That is basically it. It's not too hard. Now, just while I'm at it, this is a note I'm going to give you. Right, so I'm not actually giving you too much to do today because this corporate 9, it's horrible. Okay, corporate 11 is not too bad. Chair agenda, I'm sure you've done that before, you know, where it's all on the left-hand side. 12A, they are minutes of the meeting. It's really important you get this right because I need you to show you how to do track changes for next week. Now, track changes is all the law firms use it, so I need you to get really good at it. So we're going to be practicing that. So please, 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 whatever you do, make sure you do 12A, really important. So when you've done your work, can you email back to me, please? Okay, email it as soon as you can and I'll get it marked. Remember to acknowledge that you know you're alive so that I can mark you down as present for today, even if you do the work later. I don't really mind. You know, if you want to leave it a few days, that's fine, as long as you do it, okay? All right, that's it. I will see you all soon. Okay, bye-bye, everybody. Oh, hold on, I just can't find the stop button. I'll find it in a minute. Could be that one.